Wanted to bring y'all my first ever FabFitFun haul, starting off with my first product from Short Stories. This is their battery operated food scale. Love the digital readout, love how sleek it is, and we'll get a lot of great use out of this summer. Next product from HIP, this is their lunch pack. This is a silicone, basically brown paper bag. You can use it time and time again. It's easy to wash, easy to roll up. And honestly, I can't wait to take this with us this summer if we go road tripping, or just be able to give the kids a snack and let them eat outside or do whatever with it. My next product is from Barefoot Scientist. I love to keep my feet in check, so this will really help with just ensuring that my feet are smooth during the sandal season. Tying into that is a Cuccio heel treatment. Can't wait to put this to good use as well to ensure my heels are treated. My next product is from Katie Kime. It is a set of 4 melamine plates in the floral print. Can't wait to use this during barbecue season. My next product is from To The Market. Again, it's a melamine product, and it is a serving tray. Can't wait to use this while barbecuing. Serve snacks, serve drinks. My next product is from Our Place. It is their lunchbox, and honestly, I love that there are multiple options for cutlery. I love that there are 2 different little trays on the inside. Love the color. Honestly, I love everything about this. I think it's super cute and will be great for either myself or my fiance to take to work with him every day. My last one is from Uncommon James, and it is their hammered copper canister set. I'm not entirely certain what I am going to use these for yet, but am very much looking forward to putting these to good use and using them in my kitchen for something or another. Anyways, y'all, that is it for this box. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in my next one. Bye, everyone.